These are ZlideOn replacement zippers in 1 minute. Broken zippers are often the death knell of jackets, packs, sleeping bags, tents, and garments. When zippers go, it tends not to be the teeth, but the sliders that malfunction. ZlideOn, a company that designs and manufactures their product in Sweden, has come up with a quick, easy, and elegant solution for malfunctioning zipper sliders. To replace your zipper, simply find the size and style of zipper that you need. We have a handy chart on our website. Or if in the area, please stop by the store with your item and we'd be more than happy to ensure you get the right zipper for your product. You cut off the old slider, clip in the new one, you have a functioning zipper again. In addition to single zippers, ZlideOn also sells multi-packs, which are great in your travel or emergency kit so you don't get caught out when you're out. For more information on ZlideOn products, visit our website at canadianoutdoorequipment.com.